औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ करंट अफेयर ऑफ फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून 2022। So let's get started. Shehbaz Sharif made his first visit to Turkey from 31st May to 2nd June 2022. China sends 3 astronauts to complete space station on 5th June. Who is the current IG of Sindh Police? Ghulam Nabi Mamoon. Turkey's national name at the United Nations has been changed from TURKEY to TURKIYE. Which country has recently voted to join the European Union's defense policy? Denmark. The World Bicycle Day is celebrated every year on 3rd June. According to World Bank report, million people globally have no access to electricity, 733 million. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of France? Elisabeth Borne. What is the theme of the United Nations Peacekeepers 2022? People, Peace, Progress, the Power of Partnerships. The World Bank will disburse nearly $700 million to crisis-hit Sri Lanka. 7th June is observed as World Food Safety Day. The theme of the World Food Safety Day is Safer Food, Better Health. Women's singles title at French Open 2022 was won by Iga Swiatek. European Union leaders agree to ban Russian oil after compromise with Hungary. Pakistan's third highest civilian award was received by Darren Sami. Darren Sami receives Sitara Imtiaz Award for his contribution to reviving into cricket in Pakistan. Iran dismissed the IAEA's report on the country's stockpile of enriched uranium. 4-time champions Pakistan failed to qualify for Hockey World Cup 2023. Australian new government sworn in includes a record 13 women, including the first female Muslim. Youth Annie Alay is the Australian first Muslim federal minister.